Hello, it's Dr. Herman here. I'm with a great patient. This is Cooper. Welcome.
Hi.
Hi, thank you for getting on this call with us and letting everybody know your amazing story about your skin condition that you live with for a long time with your hands. And we're going to show
Mhm.
pictures right now. And then I'm going to do another video right at the end of this, where I describe the incredibly different yet successful and effective and safe treatment that I offered him that helped him completely resolve his condition. So Cooper, how long did you live with your hands in this condition, what it was, excuse me, in that condition where they were like half purple and the rash that was there? How long did you live with that?
Probably about 2 or 3 years, and then a year of it was so bad I couldn't move my hands. I kept my hands in a fist because if I opened up my palm, it would just crack and bleed and hurt so bad.
Wow.
Yeah.
Did that just start out of the blue, so to speak? I mean, it just you woke up one day with it being a problem, or did something trigger it and it was a sudden immediate bad
Nothing,
situation?
nothing I've ever noticed triggered it. It just started one day and got worse and worse.
Mhm. What
Yeah.
type of doctors did you see
All kinds.
before coming to me?
And doctors, family doctors, everything, and never found anything wrong with it. Just gave me a bunch of creams to put on, and it never worked.
Never worked. Were they steroid creams? Do you know? Do you know about that?
Um, Multiple different kinds. I'm not sure exactly which ones.
Okay. What did they do to investigate what the cause was or to diagnose it? Were they just blood tests or did they take skin biopsies or what did they
Um, Pretty much just looked at it.
got it?
Yeah.
Got it. So were there dermatologists out of the doctors that you saw, they were dermatologists,
Hmm.
doctors and general doctors and okay.
Yeah.
Um, what did it feel like inside you? I mean, if you're willing to share with people emotionally, what did it do to you when you were living with this condition? Because it wasn't, in addition to you feeling that way, if you opened your hands, it would crack and bleed, but just the appearance of them, as everybody can see here on the screen, the discoloration. How did that make you feel?
Um, it really sucked. I couldn't do anything really. I couldn't do anything with my hands. I couldn't, um, it burned everywhere. Water, anything I touched, it burned. Um, yeah, it just really sucked.
Just like even writing was difficult or impossible, typing on a
Yeah,
computer, using your phone,
yeah. Everything using my hands, it sucked.
terrible.
Yeah.
And did it wake you up at night from pain or itching or burning?
Itching,
Yeah.
yeah. Sometimes burning.
What
And
did
I
you,
used to go to bed with my hands wrapped up in a bunch of band-aids and because it just hurt so bad.
wow,
Yeah.
wow. Um, were there days that you felt like it was never going to end?
Yeah, for sure.
Did you ever go back to a doctor who prescribed you the cream and said, like, what's going on? This isn't working. And if you
No,
did, what did they, you never, did you just,
I never did.
it didn't work, so you never went back to that doctor?
Yeah.
Is that because you just felt like they didn't know what they were doing?
Yeah, they were just never any help, so I thought, why go back?
Gotcha. What
Mhm.
did that do inside your house with your family?
What's that?
What did that do with your house and, inside the house with your family? What was everybody saying? I mean, it must have been very difficult for everybody involved.
Yeah, it was. I would just sit here and just itch my hand and itch and itch and itch and itch, and there was nothing they could do to
Yeah,
help.
they felt
Yeah.
helpless. Uh, Now you're
Yeah.
happier than before for sure.
Yeah.
There's no more cracking. There's no more in that respect of what you had with the palms and the whole dis
No.
discoloration is gone. That whole terrible situation is gone. There's a
Yeah.
little bit of dryness still that we're working on. But how much would you say if we can give a percentage of improvement, 0 to 100%? The 100% means just doing, like incredible, like phenomenal. How would you rate it right now?
Right now, as we speak, I would say about a 90%.
Awesome.
They're
Awesome.
just dry mainly right now.
But they don't crack open and bleed now.
No, they haven't.
Awesome. Um, so we're going to do another protocol to clear up the rest of it. It'll go away. It'll go
Yeah.
away. But it's significant. I mean, this is just incredible. You made me so happy when I saw the changes for you. You know,
Yeah.
it's It's just incredible. I think your mom found me online. Is that how we got together?
Yeah, yeah, it was. She's seen an ad or something.
Yeah. And what did you think when you first saw my work, or did you even watch the video? Did she just say, "We're gonna try this, Dr. Herman"? And
She had already signed me up for it, and then she showed me some of your videos and what you did, and I was like, okay, well, let's give it a shot.
awesome.
Yeah.
Happy you did now.
Yeah.
If you were to tell anyone who sees your hands now and wouldn't even know that before, but if you were to see someone who's got a terrible skin condition and they're at their wits' end, like you pretty much were before you came to me, and you wanted to tell them that this works, how would you let them know? If you remember what it was months ago, and for the past 2 or 3 years, there was like no end in sight, and there's nothing that could ever help you because so many doctors failed you. And what would you say to someone?
Um, to not be scared of the different way you treat it, because it is so much different from a way a regular doctor would treat it. And so even me, I was like, this is kind of weird, but it helped. And so now it's normal to me.
Right? It is, right?
Yeah.
When people hear me talk about how I help myself heal and other people around me heal, they just, how is that even possible?
Yeah.
But once they start treating with it, it just makes so much sense. So I'm really happy for you.
Yeah.